Living an active lifestyle means your meals should be designed to fuel your body, providing long-lasting energy to support both your workouts and busy schedule. In this video, we'll cover a variety of delicious and nutrient-packed meal ideas that deliver the perfect balance of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats to keep you energized all day long. Breakfast for energy. Begin your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruits like blueberries, strawberries, and bananas, along with nuts, seeds, and a drizzle of honey for a powerful energy boost. Blend a high-protein smoothie using spinach, Greek yogurt, almond milk, a banana, and a scoop of protein powder to fuel your body with nutrients first thing in the morning. Whip up scrambled eggs paired with avocado slices on whole grain toast, seasoned with a pinch of salt, pepper, and chili flakes for a balanced, high-energy breakfast. Prepare a veggie-packed omelet with spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, and onions, seasoned with herbs, for a colorful and nutrient-dense way to jump-start your day. Try overnight oats made with almond milk, chia seeds, and fresh berries for a ready-to-eat breakfast that's packed with fiber, protein, and essential vitamins. Lunch to keep you going. A quinoa salad loaded with grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, and a zesty lemon vinaigrette offers a perfect balance of carbs, protein, and healthy fats to sustain your energy. Enjoy a whole grain tortilla wrap filled with lean turkey, creamy avocado, crunchy lettuce, and colorful bell peppers for a satisfying and nutritious midday meal. Make a vibrant Buddha bowl with brown rice, steamed broccoli, roasted sweet potatoes, chickpeas, and a drizzle of tahini for a filling, plant-based lunch option. Create a fresh tuna salad sandwich using whole grain bread, light mayo, celery, and lettuce, served with a side of mixed greens for a meal that's both light and energizing. Assemble a hearty grain bowl featuring farro, sautéed kale, roasted carrots, and a soft-boiled egg for a nutrient-rich lunch that keeps you full for hours. High-energy snacks. Keep a handful of trail mix made from raw nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and a sprinkle of dark chocolate chips on hand for a quick, energy-boosting snack. Spread almond butter onto rice cakes and top with banana slices for a tasty, easy-to-make snack that balances carbs and healthy fats. Scoop some Greek yogurt into a bowl, add granola, and top with fresh berries for a snack that's packed with protein and antioxidants to keep you going. Prepare energy balls using oats, peanut butter, honey, chia seeds, and dark chocolate chips for a no-bake snack you can enjoy anytime. Slice fresh veggies like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers, and pair them with creamy hummus for a crunchy, flavorful, and healthy snack option. Dinner for recovery and sustained energy. Grill a salmon fillet and serve it alongside quinoa, roasted asparagus, and a wedge of lemon for a protein-rich dinner full of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Stir-fry tofu with a medley of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, snow peas, and carrots, served over brown rice for a plant-based meal that's packed with flavor. Roast a chicken breast and pair it with mashed sweet potatoes and a side of sautéed spinach seasoned with garlic for a comforting yet energizing meal. Prepare a lentil curry with a blend of Indian spices, served with whole grain naan and steamed green beans for a dinner that's both hearty and nourishing. Toss shrimp, avocado, and cherry tomatoes with a lime vinaigrette to create a light yet nutrient-packed dinner perfect after a busy or active day. Meal prep for convenience. Save time and effort by batch cooking grilled chicken breasts, roasted vegetables, and quinoa on the weekend for quick and balanced meals throughout the week. Make mason jar salads by layering greens, beans, grains, and a light dressing, so you always have a portable, pre-prepped lunch ready to go. Prepare smoothie packs by freezing your favorite fruits and greens in individual bags, making it easier to blend up a nutritious breakfast on busy mornings. Cook a large pot of chili using lean ground turkey, kidney beans, diced tomatoes, and spices for a meal that's easy to store and reheat. Assemble wraps with whole grain tortillas, roasted veggies, hummus, and grilled chicken or tofu for a quick and portable lunch option. Hydration and beverages. Stay hydrated all day with infused water featuring slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint, which keeps your body refreshed and energy levels high. Blend a post-workout smoothie using frozen berries, spinach, coconut water, and protein powder to help replenish lost nutrients and rehydrate your body. Swap sugary sodas or energy drinks for natural beverages like green tea, matcha, or homemade iced tea, which provide a clean energy boost without the crash. High energy tips focus on complex carbohydrates like sweet potatoes, oats, and whole grains to provide a slow and steady release of energy for your active lifestyle. Incorporate healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil into your meals to support brain function and long-lasting energy. Include lean proteins like grilled chicken, tofu, or eggs in your meals to aid in muscle repair and sustain your energy throughout the day. Add vibrant vegetables like kale, spinach, broccoli, and bell peppers to every meal for essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber to support overall health. Never skip breakfast. It's critical to starting your day on the right foot and maintaining steady energy levels for your morning activities. On-the-go high-energy options: pack a couple of hard-boiled eggs and a piece of fruit for a quick, protein-packed snack during a busy day or between workouts. Keep whole grain crackers on hand with a small portion of cheese or a container of hummus for a snack that's portable and nutrient-dense. Wrap peanut butter and banana slices in a whole grain tortilla for a mess-free, high-energy snack while traveling or on the go. Prepare DIY trail mix with a mix of nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and a few pieces of dark chocolate, stored in small portions for easy snacking. Stock up on protein bars or granola bars made from wholesome ingredients to have a convenient and energizing option when you're in a rush.